Touch the monster's eyes to wake it up. 10. Plus. 10 plus. Touch the monster's eyes to wake it up. 10.
You see this is multiple
Equals 30.
So 15
15. 30. Touch the monster's
Not an
eyes to
evil
wake it
number.
up.
number I was meant to say.
10. 15. 25 plus 40. Touch the monster's eyes to wake it up. Oh! By ones, start 20. 30. 5 plus. Touch the monster's eyes to wake it up. 65, teen. Touch the 5 plus 60. Touch the monster's eyes to wake it up. 50. Touch the monster's eyes to wake it up. 1, 40, 25 equals 5. 55 plus 25. Touch the monster's eyes. 10. 9 plus equals 90. Touch the monster's eyes to wake it up. Monster 10 plus